What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video, another episode of Rap Talk with Tony, myself. Today's video, we're going to be doing a Zoom interview with one of the owners of ModifyMe in Winnipeg. So let's jump right into this. Let's get into the talk with ModifyMe.
Not bad. How about you?
Not too bad. Okay, so I'm going to just fire off some questions at you here, if that's good.
Yeah.
That works for you? We've never actually met though, right? So
no, never have.
We just
Instagram chat, basically.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, but you are the owner of ModifyMe, if I'm correct?
Yes.
Yes.
One of the owners.
One of the owners? Okay. How many partners do you have?
Just one.
Just one? Okay, sweet. Did you start ModifyMe, or was there someone else that started?
No, I'm actually not the founder. I bought in last year into ModifyMe.
Okay. Is your other partner the founder? No, you guys bought it, right?
He bought it. Well, I bought it last year. He bought it this year.
Okay.
So basically, there was two guys who started it, and they're one of them, I bought his shares, and then I was partners with the founder, and then the founder, who is Shrey, he sold his shares to my partner Co-op. So
that's right. Okay.
The team modified me as the owner was.
Okay, sweet. That's good. What's the main thing you love about the industry, the rap industry? Do you have like one?
About the industry, probably I like the creativity and like the difference that you can make on a car that you can just imagine and do it. So I'm saying you can like print it, colors you like, mix and match some colors. Like,
yeah, no,
outrageous.
I totally understand that.
Yeah, so it's like you can kind of think whatever you want to do, you can kind of make it happen to an extent.
Yeah, and
so that's probably the thing. It's just kind of you can use your imagination as to what you want, and it's just not limited on cars. It's numerous things like this cell phone.
Yeah, exactly. Anything, right?
Anything like that.
Yeah. No, it's transforming pretty much anything with just film, right? It's pretty sweet. Things that we can accomplish with just putting film on something. How many employees do you have? Do you have employees? You do, right?
Yeah, we have a pretty good team. We have basically our prep guy who also does like kind of make sure the shop's tidy, answer the door and stuff like that. We have some techs to take down
just disassembly?
Disassembly and assembly, and then we have a guy that's kind of good at tint and wrap. My partner's good at tint. Okay. I'm good at wrap. We just have some helpers here and there.
Nice. So you actually do most of the wrap work yourself?
Yeah.
Okay.
95% of it.
Nice. That's awesome. What's been your favorite project? Like biggest, favorite, coolest project you've done? Is there one in specific that you would? You've done a lot of cool stuff.
Yeah, we did this SLS, Mercedes-Benz SLS. That was probably the nicest car that I've ever wrapped.
Okay. What did you do? Just color change or? Color
change into satin black. Just nice, sharp, classic color, timeless almost.
Oh, sweet.
Timeless.
Yeah, matte black's good. Satin black, matte black, they're both good. I love those.
Favorite one, but there's been a lot.
Okay.
Pretty good amount of ones that I really like that we've done. So
sweet.
Might be hard to say that's my favorite because now I'm thinking of this project, that project.
Exactly.
There's a lot of concepts.
See, it's easier for me because I've actually ever done one full wrap, so it's pretty easy for me. And that thing was pretty sweet. But my truck is coming next, so that'll be fun. Do you guys do PPF?
Not currently.
No.
We had someone that was kind of doing it with us. It wasn't too reliable, so it was kind of hard to put our name behind it and everything like that, and have it set up.
Okay.
Time and planner. Don't do PPF right now. Just wraps and tints and decals and stuff like that for the most part.
Okay, understand. Are you certified with any film companies, or is it all just self-taught?
I'm certified with Vivid Vinyl, but I don't actually install Vivid Vinyl.
Oh, okay. Who did you get certified with?
That's the first thing that I ever did was get certified with Vivid. I learned through CK Raps. He's on YouTube.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I did his course, and that's Vivid Vinyl. That's my first entry into rap, and I also did the Avery Dennison course as well.
Okay. I'm not a huge fan of Vivid's vinyl.
No,
I would way rather be using some Avery or 3M.
Me too. Just trust-wise and ease of work-wise, and I've seen some rough times with some vivid vinyl, like peeling paint and stuff like that. It's just I don't want the headache.
Okay, that I haven't seen, but that makes sense. That I wouldn't want to use that then. If you were to give any suggestions to someone starting a business, like, you know, a wrap business or whatever you want to call it, getting into the industry, any tips for them?
It's an industry you can't really give up. Like, you might not be the best when you start. Just push forward into learning and getting better on a daily basis, and don't pick up bad habits, because those will kind of stick with you. And
yeah.
I mean, push your work, push your own name. It's your reputation and your work is going to get you your job. So I'm just hoping in the years to come that everything that I've done up until this point is satisfactory, and like, we do our warranties. So
yeah.
The first thing I could say is get good at it before you start charging people for it. So maybe do your own car, maybe have a friend that you do with that you're not really charging them for when you first learn out, unless you're getting a good helping hand or something, because all it is problem.
Yeah, do a bunch of jobs for friends and families that just make them pay for the vinyl, right? Like, just make them buy the material and just install it for them.
Yeah.
Kind of thing. Get your practice in is what I would say. I'm still always practicing all the time. I'm not nearly the rapper that you are yet, so one day I'll be there.
I'll come to time and practice, and I'm nowhere near where I want to be. Like, I'm satisfactory enough that I can put out a job and be really proud of it and show all my angles and corners and stuff like that people want to see. But best tip I could think of actually is, if you're not into problem solving, rap's not for you, because it's a headache trying to understand what the vinyl is doing. Say you've installed something and a month down the road comes and it's completely looking different, it's like peeled back or something. You just have to understand it and get a feel for it. But it's all problems really understanding shit.
You gotta know which way you can manipulate that film and what you can and cannot do with it, right?
Yeah, you just have to understand what you can and cannot do, and get a feel for different films, because they all install different.
Exactly, yeah. That's one thing I've definitely noticed. All films install different.
There's a lot of good content out there that you could pay for and learn, like Rap Institute, do some courses, get a feel for it. Yeah, but if you want to join the industry, that's all you gotta do is learn from the best. Don't try to learn on your own. Just, to an extent you learn on your own, but.
Well, what I found is a good thing is, go watch videos from like the Rap Institute, or if you're watching CK Raps, go watch his videos, but then also go pick up a piece of film, grab a vehicle, and practice those right away, instead of just thinking that you can just watch a bunch of videos on YouTube and then go wrap a customer's car, right? Like, that's not going to work.
All those videos are really helpful too, though, so I get a lot of learning from there. And what I actually noticed, this for anyone that's coming into the rap industry, maybe, I message random shops all across the world. I'll see them do something, ask questions. Like, I've never had anyone come back to me or say something like negative, or I could tell you this. It's like I've asked the randomest people, and they're always like so willing to help. That's what I noticed about the rap industry. So
whenever I've asked questions, everyone's willing to help me out. It's awesome.
Everyone's really, really out there, like, trying to help. People ask me questions. I do the most to try to help them to my ability without.
That's awesome.
Yeah, but
it goes a long way too for customer service if you're willing to help out a lot.
Yeah, it goes a very, very long way.
Yeah, sweet. No, I appreciate you taking your time to do this with me and talk to me. And thank you.
Thank you. It's been a blessing. Thanks for having me.
Well, guys, there you go. That's the video. That's today's episode number 2. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I sure did. I can't wait for all the next ones and all the future ones to come. There's gonna be a lot of cool videos, a lot of cool content, a lot of helpful content for you guys, for anyone that's wanting to learn this industry, get into the industry, or just interested in it. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you guys check all the links down below. Also, hit that subscribe button. It's down there too. See you guys in the next video. Peace.